Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies royal icing. First, gather all your ingredients and tools, ensuring everything is clean and ready. We'll cover the basics of preparation, mixing, and achieving the perfect consistency. You'll also learn how to color your icing and store it properly so your decorated cookies look fantastic every time. Let's get started on creating beautiful, edible art. To begin, you'll need about 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, or 3 large egg whites. Combine these in a large bowl. Gradually add about 6 tablespoons of water, or lemon juice for a brighter flavor, mixing on low speed. Continue mixing until the ingredients are just combined. Then increase speed to medium-high for about 5 to 7 minutes until stiff peaks form. Achieving the right consistency is crucial for beautiful cookie decorating. For outlining, you'll want a thick icing that holds its shape. For flooding, a medium consistency, often called a 10-second count, is perfect for smooth fills. If you need very fine details, a slightly thinner icing works best. Adjust by adding a few drops of water to thin, or a teaspoon of powdered sugar to thicken, until it's just right. When coloring your royal icing, always use gel food coloring to maintain consistency, as liquid colors can thin it out. Divide your prepared icing into separate bowls for each color you plan to use. Once colored, transfer the icing to piping bags. For storage, place any unused royal icing in an airtight container, covering the surface directly with plastic wrap. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.